Hello everyone, today we will study about Newton's laws of motion. Let us see first law, that is an object at rest stays at rest, or an object in motion stays in motion in the same direction and at the same speed unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. That is, if any object is in rest, it stays at rest, and if any object is in motion, it stays in motion if you when till unless you apply any external effort, that is unbalanced force, to change its state. So it is also known as law of inertia. What is inertia? Any object doesn't want to change its position or state, then this property is known as inertia. If any object doesn't want to change its state, then this property is known as inertia. Inertia depends on mass. So let us see one example of this. If you are traveling in car and car will accelerate, you will move backward. Why you will move backward? Because you will move backward due to inertia. Because inertia depends on mass. Let us see second law of motion. That is, the second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied force in the direction of force. It means that the change of momentum is proportional to force. Let us see mathematical formulation of second law of motion. That is, m equal to mass, v equal to velocity, u equal to initial velocity, t equal to time, and f equal to force. So let us see. Initial momentum equal to mu and final momentum equal to mv. Change in momentum equal to mv minus mu. Rate of change of momentum, that is equal to mass into acceleration. We will apply acceleration, that is mass into v, means final velocity minus initial velocity, divided by mass into acceleration, that is velocity minus u divided by t. So this will equal to, when you derive this formula, when you solve this, it was equal to mass into acceleration. That was force equal to mass into acceleration. So let us see third law, that is, to every action there is always an opposed equal reaction, means to every action has equal and opposite reaction. That is F. That is, let us see one example. Tires of car push back against the road while the road pushes the cars forward. It means that if you will let us see another example. If you hit your hand with wall, then you will hurt yourself also. Why? Due to the third law, that is, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction, means wall will also, because wall will also apply and force on you. That is the third law is every action has equal and opposite reaction. That is the third law says F equal